Dance in India is a part of its rich cultural tradition. It is as varied as the land itself. The two main forms of dance in India are folk and classical dance. Most of the classical dances originated in the temples. Indian classical dances follow the principles and rules laid down by Bharat Muni and his Natya Shastra many years ago. Folk dances are numerous in number and style and vary according to the local traditions of the respective state, ethnic, or geographic regions. The famous dance forms in South India are Bharatnatyam, which has derived its roots from Tamil Nadu, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam of Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Perini Shivatandavam of Telangana, Dollu Kunita and Yakshagana of Karnataka. Let me walk you through a history of how these dance forms originated. Bharatnatyam is one of the oldest and most popular forms of classical dance that originated in Tanjore district in Tamil Nadu in South India. This dance style is a mixture of emotions, song, rhythm, and expressions. It is focused on Hindu religious and spiritual themes. Rukmini Devi Arundale is known as the most famous Bharatnatyam dancer who hails from Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Kathakali is a traditional dance form of Kerala. Katha means story and Kali means dance. Of all traditional dances in India, this is the most elegant and very difficult one. The Kathakali characters were inspired by the stunning sculptures of the temples depicting the gods and goddesses of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. It also drew its inspiration from the temple rituals and earlier forms of classical drama. Mohiniyattam is another famous dance form of Kerala. It gets its name from the word Mohini, who was a mythological avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu, who helps the good prevail over evil by developing her feminine powers. Gracefulness and beauty of a woman are the core components that make up the Mohiniyattam dance. The dancers wear the Kerala Kasavu sari, which is one of the finest saris found in Kerala, and the basic blend of colors are the creamy white along with a rich golden border. Kuchipudi originated in the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. This dance form was believed to be found in copper inscriptions of the 10th century. Kuchipudi is about facial expressions and agility and also incorporates props such as clay pot and brass plates. Perini Shivatandavam originated and prospered in Telangana during the Kakatiya dynasty. Perini is a folk dance performed in honor of Lord Shiva, and it is believed that in ancient times that was performed before the soldiers set to war, and hence it was also known as Dance of Warriors. It is a vigorous dance form performed by males to the resounding beats of drums. Dollu Kunita is a popular drum dance of Karnataka, providing both a spectacular variety as well as the complexity of skills in the process of demonstration. A group of 12 to 16 performers form a semicircle and beat the drum and dance to its rhythms, involving extremely swift and subtle movements. This dance form is performed in honor of Lord Biralingeshwara, an avatar of Lord Shiva. Yakshagana is one such type of folk theatre from Karnataka, having a long history of over 400 years. The theatre form includes a unique harmony of eye-catching costumes, musical tradition, and authentic dancing styles. This dance form depicts stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata as well as from the Puranas. Yakshagana was the only way of entertainment in villages which the artists performed right in the homes of people. It was one way of introducing children to the great culture of this country. Some of the folk dance styles of South India are mentioned here. They are enjoyed by other countries because of their expressive and elegant dance moves. There are many festivals and events that are organized in South India that are dedicated to dance. The Sangeet Natak Academy is a national level academy that promotes the development of dance, drama and music. The other festivals that happen in South India are Natyanjali Dance Festival, Mahabalipuram Dance Festival, Chennai Dance and Music Festival organized every year in Tamil Nadu, the Nishagandhi Dance Festival held in Kerala, and Pattadakal Dance Festival held in Karnataka. These dances are a celebration of life and are embodiments of grace, purity, and delightful poses. Without a doubt, these dances are the bridges connecting the rich heritage of this part of India to the outside world.